Here are my top 6 valuable insider tips if you're planning on scalping the markets. Number 1. Decide on a specific time window dedicated solely to scalping. If you're manually scalping, ensure you remain super focused and free of any external distractions. Simultaneously, determine how long you'll trade before fatigue sets in and your focus wanes. Number 2. Familiarize yourself with the instrument you're trading. Understand the dollar value per tick, margin requirements, and external factors influencing its price movement. Always consult your economic calendar to stay informed about any news or events that might impact the instrument during your trading session. Number 3. Prioritize risk management. Given that most scalpers execute multiple trades daily, a high win rate is essential for profitability. Professional scalpers excel at minimizing losses promptly and reducing risk swiftly. Tip number 4. Develop a clear daily plan. Define your profit target for the day and establish a threshold for pulling the plug in case of a losing day, ensuring it won't significantly impact your account equity. Number 5. Monitor your commissions. If you plan to execute multiple scalp trades daily, consider brokerage commissions. While these fees are typically small, they can quickly accumulate and erode your overall profit if you're actively involved in scalping. Tip number 6. Steer clear of overtrading. There are various reasons why traders fall into this trap, and none bode well for long-term success, especially if they become habitual. Common reasons for overtrading include revenge trading, greed, an inflated sense of confidence, and a lack of discipline. Preventing overtrading necessitates a solid trading plan, a well-defined strategy, and emotional self-control.